Hello, and welcome to our video. In today's video, we'll be exploring the fascinating process of how cars are made. The process of making cars has evolved significantly over time, but it generally involves several key steps. First, the car design is created either by hand or using computer-aided design, CAD, software. This design is then used to create a prototype or model of the car, which can be tested and refined. Once the design is finalized, the manufacturing process can begin. The car body is typically made using sheet metal, which is stamped into the desired shape using large presses. These body panels are then welded together to create the car's frame. The engine, transmission, and other mechanical components are manufactured separately and then installed in the car's frame. The interior components, such as the seats and dashboard, are also manufactured separately and then installed in the car. Once the car is assembled, it goes through a series of quality control checks to ensure that it meets safety and performance standards. Finally, the car is painted, and any finishing touches are added before it is ready to be shipped to dealerships or customers. Overall, the process of making cars is a complex one that involves many different steps and technologies. As car technology continues to evolve, the manufacturing process will likely become even more advanced and sophisticated. Thank you for watching today's video, and we hope you learned something new about the fascinating process of making cars. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to stay up to date on all our latest content.